Alright guys, welcome to Module 2. Here I'm going to talk to you about the top e-commerce solutions, and I'm going to tell you why Shopify is the best solution out there, the absolute best. So let's get started. You have a lot of marketing options out there, including BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Magento, and Squarespace. I have already deeply explored personally all of these options, and the best solution for your marketing success, I can tell you, is Shopify without a doubt. That is the e-commerce solution that this course is all about. However, let's first look at the several different e-commerce platforms out there to understand, so you can understand the various pros and cons and why Shopify is the absolute best. So let's start with Magento. Magento's strength is the fact that it's an open source platform and all-in-one platform with content management software for online businesses. It was recently purchased by eBay because they saw great potential in expanding their e-commerce base by including this technology. The big advantage that Magento offers over its competitors are the massive capabilities it provides, including being SEO friendly and multi-website capable. However, that is also its biggest problem because it is actually highly technical and not friendly for the average marketer. You need to either be able to write highly technical code or hire a team of code writers to take full advantage of everything Magento offers. If that's what you want to do, you might want to check out this option. On the other hand, if you want to keep things simple, very simple, you should actually skip this option. You might want to keep it in the back of your mind as future development opportunity after maybe you find some success with Shopify. The next one is Squarespace, and Squarespace is a website platform that includes e-commerce capabilities. It's not much more than a website with a shopping cart added. You can do the same thing with any website you currently have. The pros are that it's very simple to use, and they have plenty of nice design options and they add new designs regularly. Squarespace also offers strong customer support. The biggest con that I can tell you is that it's no more of a serious e-commerce site than having your own website with a shopping cart and merchant account. It lacks several payment options that more serious sales sites offer. If you are marketing internationally, this is not the solution for you. This is because you can do global and international sales with them. They only use Stripe, and because you can get payments from other currencies and different countries. In general, it has much less flexibility than most e-commerce sites. If you're looking for a simple solution and you want to build a WordPress and you have built a WordPress page before, this might interest you. The next one is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is another WordPress knockoff. It's a part of what's called WooTeams. In fact, the main business of WooCommerce is providing design teams to developers that are building websites, such as at WordPress. WordPress is, as you probably know, the world standard for building websites, and a lot of developers are very comfortable using WordPress, and a lot of them have used WooTeams, and so in turn, they would probably know how to use WooCommerce right off the bat. So if you're already paying developers to build WordPress sites, they should very easily be able to work with WooCommerce without any problem. About the only reason you want to consider WooCommerce is if you already have a WordPress site and you're looking to kind of expand. The next one is BigCommerce. BigCommerce is a very significant competitor to Shopify. Let me tell you, they have more than 60,000 online stores, and it has completed more than 5 billion in transactions compared to Shopify's 7 billion. So this is an all-in-one e-commerce platform with all the features and information guides you need to build out your store and succeed. There are many great optimized store designs to choose from, and the website is SEO friendly. The customer support is helpful and very reliable. The email and marketing functions are integrated, and customers are able to leave reviews of their shopping experience. The major cons compared to Shopify are the high and multiple fees. It's not uncommon to pay fees that bring you little or no benefit. Another drawback is that BigCommerce doesn't offer as many features and add-ons as Shopify does. And the last one, of course, the main topic of the entire course is Shopify. And Shopify, I'm going to tell you why it's the best solution out there. Other than this brief comparison with other e-commerce websites, the remainder of the course, like I said, focuses on Shopify. Although there are competitors, Shopify is the best of the all-in-one e-commerce platforms online. It was designed specifically to make it extremely easy to build and manage your online store. It can be done with little or no technical knowledge or experience about developing web stores. In my opinion, it is extremely easy to build and operate, the easiest of all that I have reviewed. They offer a large selection of both paying and free designs. The free designs offer good quality options and have high quality appearance. They also offer a large selection of apps, both free and for a fee. The App Store is very intuitive because it is very similar to iTunes and Google App Stores. You have no problems building a highly professional store using the free options offered by Shopify. But I'll walk you through that, so don't worry. That's a major reason it is preferred over BigCommerce. Plenty of payment options are offered so that you have no problem with international sales. It's SEO friendly with built-in marketing and management tools. You'll be able to track your orders as well as how people go about navigating your site and specific products. In total fairness, I have to tell you that there is one con. Shopify is not the least expensive, especially if you choose to go with the enterprise solution. However, when you are just starting out, you don't need that complexity. Let me tell you, I've been there. As your business grows, you can move up to those additional features later on. Overall, Shopify is the best platform for starting an e-commerce business, able to expand as your business grows.